Welcome to the New Start Kitchen. I'm Margaret Gallant, and today we're making curry powder. I love to have curry powder in my pantry, so when I'm in the mood for curry, it's right there. So let's go through the ingredients and you can make your own homemade curry powder. So we have 3 tablespoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of coriander, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom. And what we're going to do is mix it all together in the bowl, and then we're going to put it in my jar marked curry powder, and we'll put it in my pantry and I'll be ready to go. So here we go. We have our cumin, our coriander, our turmeric, and these are all great seasonings that are very healing and healthy for us. And then we have our fenugreek and our salt, and we'll end with our cardamom. So we're going to mix it up really well, and I will put it in my jar, and it has an airtight lid, and I will be able to put it in my pantry. So I know you can do this. It was very easy. It just might take a little bit to try to find that fenugreek, but you can find it at a store near you, I'm sure. That's probably the only unusual seasoning in this one. But you can do it and have your own curry seasoning. All right, here we go. It's beautiful and it smells wonderful. I hope you enjoy this curry powder.